Andrew Tate The Real World just doubled their price to $99 a month. So the question is it still worth it in 2026? I've been inside The Real World for over 3 years now. I've made over $300,000 with what I learned there, and this is where it all started. I joined when everyone was hyping it up at $49 a month, and now in 2026 with the price at $99, people keep asking me, is The Real World still worth it, or is it just a scam now? Well, I'm gonna give you the honest answer. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's exactly what you get when you pay $99 a month to join The Real World in 2026. It starts with this updated dashboard. They've completely redesigned the UI since last year, and it's way cleaner now. You pick a campus based on what skill you want to learn, and here's the thing. They've expanded massively. They now have 12 different business models that you can learn. E-commerce, copywriting, content creation, freelancing, affiliate marketing, crypto investing, client acquisition and social media, AI automation agency, business mastery, fitness, and way more. Each campus has pre-recorded video lessons, assignments, and sometimes live Q&As with your professor. Let me walk you through what a campus looks like. Let's say that you picked e-commerce. You've got modules at the top, step-by-step lessons on how to find products, set up your store, run ads, and scale. Then you've got group chats below, some for beginners asking questions, some for people posting their wins and progress, others for just general discussion. The professors, the people running each campus, they post new advice, missions, and updates regularly to keep you moving forward. Now, here's the truth. Not all campuses are created equal. Some of them are really solid. The copywriting campus is detailed and well structured. The e-commerce campus has improved a lot since I first joined. They've added new modules on AI tools and scaling strategies. But then you've got campuses like crypto that feel a bit surface level. They're still useful, but they're not as in-depth. You'll also see a wins channel in every campus where students post results. Some of them are legit. People making their first $1,000, their first $10,000, but honestly, it's hard to tell what's real and what's just hype sometimes. One thing they've added this year is even more gamification. You complete missions, you rank up on leaderboards, and you unlock new levels. It's designed to keep you engaged, and for some people that works. For others, it's just noise. But here's what I've noticed after being in there for 3 years. Most people just lurk. They watch the lessons, they hang out in the chats, but they don't actually do anything. Only a small percentage of people are posting their work, asking for feedback, and taking real action. And that's the key. The real world gives you the roadmap, but it doesn't hold your hand. There is no one chasing you down to make sure that you're doing the work. So if you're expecting some Netflix style course that walks you through everything step by step with zero effort on your part, you're going to be disappointed. But if you're willing to take initiative, ask questions, and actually implement what you learn, then yeah, there is real value here. Alright, so let me tell you about my experience with The Real World. When I first joined, I honestly didn't know what I was getting into. I had tried a few things online before. I've watched YouTube videos, bought a couple cheap courses, but nothing really stuck. I decided to go all in on the e-commerce campus because I'd always wanted to build my own business. Something that I could control and something that didn't require me to clock in for someone else. So the first few weeks, I was quite overwhelmed. There was so much information, so many strategies, and I wasn't sure where to start. But I kept showing up, I watched the lessons, I completed the assignments, and most importantly, I started posting in the chats asking for help when I got stuck. That's when things shifted. The community started giving me feedback. The professors would hop in and point out what I was doing wrong. And slowly, I started to see progress. My first product obviously flopped. I made like $200 in sales, but I spent $300 on ads, so it was lost money. But instead of quitting, I asked questions. What went wrong? What should I test next? The second product did way better. I made $1,500 in a week, which is not life-changing, but it proved that the model worked. Now the third product, that was the one. I scaled it to around $10,000 in a month, then $20,000, and then more. And here's the thing. Once you get that first real win, everything changes. You start believing that it's actually possible, you stop doubting yourself, and you just execute. Over the last 3 years, I've used what I learned in The Real World to build multiple stores. Some of them failed, some of them succeeded, but in total, I've made over $300,000. And that's real money that changed my life. But I'll be honest with you, it wasn't The Real World alone that did it. It was actually me showing up every day, testing products, failing, adjusting, and refusing to quit. The Real World gave me the framework, but I had to do the work. And that's the difference between the people who succeed and the people who complain that it's a scam. Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. The Real World used to be $49 a month. Now it's $99 a month. That's double. So, the obvious question is it still worth $99? Here's my take. At $49, it was a no-brainer. If you were broke, you had more time than money, and you wanted to learn a skill, it was the best deal on the internet. But at $99, it's still worth it, but it depends on where you're at. If you're serious about building a real skill and you're willing to put in the work, $99 a month is still cheaper than 99% of courses out there that charge $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 upfront. And here's the thing, they've added way more value since I first joined. There's way more campuses, there's more content, there's better structure, and there's new features like the diploma and job marketplace. So yeah, they doubled the price, but they also doubled the value. Now, does that mean everyone should join? No. If you're just gonna lurk around and you're gonna consume content and you're not gonna take any action, then don't waste your $99. But if you are truly willing to show up and ask questions and complete the missions and actually implement what you learn, then yeah, it is worth it even at $99. And honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they raise the price again in the future. So, if you've been thinking about joining, now is probably the time. Alright, let's be real. Most people who join the real world will never make a single dollar. Not because it's a scam, not because the content is bad, but like I said, it's because most people don't actually do anything. They binge watch the lessons, they hang out in the chats, they hype themselves up for like about a week and then they quit. Realistically, it's only a small minority of people in there who actually make it. And for the rest of the people who join and they do nothing, well, then they only lost $99 or $198 if they lasted 2 months. Go ahead and scroll through the group chat. Half of them are silent. The other half are just people asking questions that they're never going to apply. As you can see, the real world gives you the tools, but it doesn't hold your hand. There's no professor babysitting you and there's no one chasing you down to get results. And that's the brutal truth that most people don't want to hear. You're paying for potential, not guaranteed results. Some students in there are making thousands of dollars a month. Others are stuck, confused, and wasting time. The difference is that the ones who win actually do the work, they ask questions, they test things, they fail, they adjust, and they stay consistent. But everyone else, as I'm sure you already know, they want a shortcut. So, if you're thinking of joining the real world, hoping for some get-rich-quick magic formula, then just don't join. But if you're willing to learn a real skill and you're willing to get uncomfortable, fail your way forward, and stay consistent, then yeah, this could be the thing that changes your life. But only if you treat it like a business. So, finally, is the real world worth it in 2026? Here's the real answer. It depends on where you're at. If you're broke, motivated, and have more time than money, it might be one of the best investments that you can make at $99 a month. You're gonna learn legit skills like e-commerce, copywriting, content creation, freelancing, and skills that can actually make you money. And you'll be surrounded by a community of people trying to do the same thing. There is value in the lessons. Some of the campuses are genuinely in-depth, especially if you're a complete beginner. But it's not perfect. There's no real structure beyond what you create for yourself. Some campuses are stronger than others, and there's a lot of noise in the chats. So truth is, if you just want to feel productive while avoiding real work, this is not going to help you. But if you're willing to stay consistent, you're willing to build an actual skill, and you're willing to push through the discomfort, well then yes, the real world can absolutely change your life. For me, it wasn't about Andrew Tate's speeches or the flashy marketing. It was just about having a place to start, a reason to take action, and a framework to follow. So if you're ready to stop consuming and actually start building something, I'd say give it a shot. I've left my link to the real world down below, but don't do it for me, only do it if you're serious about showing up and putting in the work. Because like I said before, it's not gonna work unless you do.